What's up, YouTube family? It's your favorite Nigerian American day trader here, King Abe Forex. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for those of you that are new here and for those of you that are also returning as well. Now, this video is about how my week went when it comes to trading. And we had a very amazing week this week as well. We had a 90% win rate for the second week in a row this week. So we've been having a great trading month so far. So I decided to make a video and just show you guys two out of the trades that I took this week, and one of them is gold and the second one is actually going to be NAS100. So that's what this video is all about. So I'm going to be showing you guys those two trades, the setup that I took, the trades, using supply and demand. So that's what this video is all about. So stay tuned, make sure you watch this video to the end, and make sure you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos, because we want to make sure you catch me when I'm live during London session and whenever I upload new YouTube videos. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the video. All right guys, welcome back guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys two out of the trades that I took this week, and I'm going to be showing you guys gold and NAS100. Now, this gold trade was actually taken on Monday, I believe, during New York session. Now, this was what I saw with this trade here. So with this trade over here, as we can see that previously we had this low taken out. Give me 1 second guys. So we had this low taken out previously. Now, once I saw that we had this low taken out over here, now after that, what I was expecting to see is for price to come back to this supply, 15-minute supply over here. So I was expecting price to come back to this 15-minute supply. Now, once we can have a rejection at that 15-minute supply, I was anticipating to take a sell. So now let's put this in replay mode, and I'll show you guys where my entry was and where I got out and how much I ended up making with this trade. So let's put this in replay mode here. Okay, so at this point here, now I'm actually really expecting and waiting to see the rejection so I can take a sell position. Okay, so I went too far, but I took my entry right as soon as this candle closed. I had my entry right below the previous candle. Stop loss was above the previous week, and my final TP was actually down below this previous low that we have formed here, this support over here. Now that was actually my final target. Now what I did with this trade was, once I got 15 pips, I moved my stops to break even, and I ended up getting out of this trade at 30 plus pips. That was when I got out this trade, and I was able to make a little bit over 12 grand, almost 13 grand on this gold trade right here, as you guys can see right there on the screen. So this was what happened with gold trade during New York session. Now let's go to NAS100. Before we do take a look at NAS100 here, if you want to trade London session with me, so I highly do recommend that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos, and also when I do go live. Now, if you want to trade London session with me, all you have to do is to join my private Discord /mentorship, and you guys will be able to trade New York session with me weekly. And we also have weekly webinars, so you can get access to that as well. The link is down below in the description. Now, so let's get started with this NAS trade. Now, I took a NAS here though on Friday. This trade was actually on Friday as of the time I'm recording this, which was actually yesterday. During London session, this NAS trade was taken live during one of my London session live streams here on YouTube. Now, so why did I take a sell here? Now, if you look at this closely here on the 15-minute, we had this aggressive selling to the downside. So we had this aggressive selling to the downside, and what happened with this aggressive selling that we had here was that, so I saw, excuse me guys. So I saw that we had previously broken this low, this support, and we actually broke below this support. But we did kind of rejected the major lows, which was this lows, which was this support zone right here. So now, once I saw that happened, the fact that we did broke this low over here and price is just forming lower lows, lower highs. So because of that, I'm like, okay, I'm definitely going to look for sales here. So now what I did was I went to the 5-minute time frame, because here on the 15-minute time frame, we had a supply right here, which was also a previous lower low. Lower high, excuse me guys. So which was a previous lower high. This was the 15-minute supply, and here on the 5-minute we had a very clean supply setup right here. So we had a 5-minute supply right over there. Now, all I simply did was go back to the 15-minute time frame, and here on the 15-minute time frame, all we simply did was to just wait for the retest or rejection of this 5-minute supply, and then we look to take a sell. So let's put this in replay mode and let's see what happened here with this trade here. So let's put this in replay mode here. So at this point, I was already looking to take a sell position. So I had an entry right below the previous previous bullish candle wick. That was my entry. And I believe we had a 35 pip stop loss. And my final target was to target this low here. I actually got out of this trade at 200 points, which is 20 pips. So let's put this in replay mode and let's see what happened with this trade. So at this point here, I had already moved my stops to BE at 100 points, which is 10 pips. I moved my stop to BE and closed one of my position. And once we got 20 pips, I actually closed out the trade. Some people stayed in for 25 to 50 points. Some stayed in for 30 pips, which is 300 points. But I actually got out of this trade at 200 points, which is 20 pips. And because of that, I was able to make almost $16,000, as you guys can see on this trade right here. So that was some of the trades that I took this week. This week was a very, very good week. We were able to finish this week with 90% win rates. That's twice in a row, 90%. So we're doing very good. So if you want to learn exactly how I trade, you can join me when I go live on the London session here on YouTube. And if you want to be part of that, then you have to make sure you subscribe and like this video as well. And if you want to trade New York session with me as well, then you can join my private Discord/mentorship. Link is also down below in the description. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching to the end. God bless you all, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.